Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. I hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. We've got this question a lot. How do you keep making money in crypto? I'm going to break it down for you and give you a basic answer and really go in depth in the following videos as to the legwork behind diving into these projects. So the first way we make money in crypto is, of course, buying and holding. Now you ask, when do you buy and hold? That's a good question. When we buy and hold is when the fear and greed index is 60 or below, or you can say, looking at this index here, it's yellow, orange, or red. We buy in the yellow, orange, or red areas only. Okay, we do not buy when it's green. This saves us a little bit from the FOMO aspect of it and getting in at unfavorable price points. If you're in it long term, there's really no unfavorable price point, but for us, we want to have strategic entry points when we look at accumulating these crypto assets. So that is one way we accumulate, and one way we've been able to make money is by buying and holding. But more particularly, we buy and hold when this fear and greed index is yellow, orange, or red only. Okay, now with yellow, orange, and red only being a qualifier, we also look at levels of support as well. Help us try to get the best entry for our assets. So we take a look here at the fear and greed index. You see here, if we zoom in a little bit, you see that in this index we are in the yellow. This is accumulation zones for us. Okay, once we hit over 60, we do not accumulate. And if we do accumulate, it's tailored more towards a specific project that may be happening to dump, or may had some news that came out that is really unfavorable, causing the price to dump, whether it's a lawsuit, or it's a problem with the network. Like, we do buy that negative news as well sometimes, but we really look at this fear greed index really to avoid FOMO, which a lot of people get wrecked because then they end up buying when people are selling, because to be honest with you, we have banks involved now. They're going to be selling when this is green. Okay, they have balance sheets, they have P&Ls that they have to hit monthly and quarterly. So that's what we're going to see in the markets as well. So that is one way we make money in crypto. Another way we make money in crypto is by working in it. We talk about working in it. So instead of doing a job, instead of selling your car for cash, sell your car for crypto. When you sell that for crypto, do not just blow it all. Take a portion of that. If you can't do all of it, we take a portion of that, okay, and we dump it and we hold it for at least 12 months in crypto assets that we believe will appreciate. Okay, so that is another way we make money in crypto. So another way, the final way that we make money in crypto is through real estate. Okay, how do we make money with real estate? Okay, so we take crypto, dump it into real estate. Okay, usually it's a cash flowing producing asset. With that cash flowing producing asset, we increase the value. Once we increase the value, we go to the bank, we take our initial investment, we try to get our initial investment out plus some. We take that out. When we take that out, now this property that we bought has none of our own money in it, but we were able to take some additional out on top of what we dumped in. Okay, we take that and then we dump it back into crypto. So real estate, and it's going to cash flow every month forever. Okay, so then that real estate is not only, you can use that cash flow to buy more crypto, and you can take your initial and dump it back in crypto, preferably at a lower rate. And we use real estate as well as a vehicle to accumulate. So there's multiple ways you can do that. Another way you can do that is mining. So take a look at this project, Go Mining, that is providing you a way to make money without even having to invest all that money in mining rigs. Take a look. Go Mining offers a new way to earn Bitcoin by avoiding the difficulties associated by purchasing and maintaining all that mining equipment. It introduces the concept of buying NFTs as a means to acquire a share of the hash rate power already dedicated to Bitcoin mining. So super simple, easy way to earn every day. And to be honest with you, like, if you take a look at this project here, we go to the about section, and with that, you can see what is coming. 9 data centers across the globe belong to Go Mining. Bitcoin mining equipment works around the clock at each of these sites. By purchasing the NFT, you attain a portion of the power of these real machines. So very, very creative when we talk about not needing these full garages and these full setups to be a part of earning. So, they dive into what the NFT is. They dive into what is a token. If you take a look here at the token, currently at 33 cents, extremely undervalued. Why is it undervalued? Because it's really solving a real problem when you talk about people coming into the space and really not having the knowledge to set up a mining rig, right? Or not even wanting to do all that. This allows you to do that. And we see here 33 cents and total supply 432,919,966 GMT in total supply. And to be honest with you, sky looks like to be the limit. It's especially, you can see here, the slight pullback. If we look here at the all-time high, just about 50 cents, maybe a little bit above 50 cents for the all-time high. And with that, I think that as we near towards a shift in markets, we near towards people wanting to find solutions, gold mining is solving that big problem when it talks about new people coming into space and wanting it to be as simple as possible here. Taking a look at their Twitter, super engaged Twitter. Right now they're offering 20% discount on energy efficiency upgrades. So definitely continue to engage in the markets. If you look down here, they have a annual ROI table. As you can see, at which price points, are calculated based on the average maintenance costs and discounts provided based off of the price of Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see here as Bitcoin appreciates, as Bitcoin goes up in price, okay, so does the potential ROI. So for every $1,000 change in price of Bitcoin, there's a corresponding 1.5% adjustment in the annual ROI for the miners. Okay, so for the miners with Go Mining, so this calculation is based on the average maintenance costs and discounts provided. And with that, we see the impact of how this product and how pretty much what Go Mining is doing. You benefit from the appreciation and the up in price of Bitcoin. So love what they're doing here, and really going beyond mining. And we look and see here what exactly is going on. And we looked at the data centers in different countries. Don't trust but verify. You can actually see here they're laying it out there. All the active workers, they lay out the hash rate. So they're probably one of the only people to actually do that for full transparency. Like, that's what I really like here about this project here. They're putting it all out here, putting all the data out here, so you can not only do your own research, but you can trust. Just don't have to trust, but you can verify based off of the data that is out here. So they already have partners here, partners with Binance Pool, Bitmain, Bitcoin Mining Council as well. So huge partnerships as well. And if we look here at what is gold mining and really the strong points and the home runs when we talk about this project here, we can see that Go Mining is offering a new way of earning Bitcoin. Okay, we know that, we see that, and to be honest with you, nobody's going to want to buy all these mining rigs. Just to be honest with you, like, no one's going to want to do that. So this way you don't have to deal with huge miners, generate a lot of noise, heat, and receive a crazy large electric bill that no one talks about. No one talks about that part, right? They just talk about the rewards that you get from having, these mining rigs, but you don't have to do that with Go Mining. So users start receiving mining rewards 24 hours after purchasing and will continue to get payments daily. So Go Mining has the lowest and effortless possible entry point in mining, owning numerous data centers with significant computational power, offering the lowest electricity rates. Okay, so you can check the live broadcasting of the data mining centers, and that's transparency. Like, right there, that is transparency. So when we take a look at that, and we can see that, like, it's transparency at its core. Because you can see here, this is where it's at, this is where it's located. They actually have camera footage, so you can see what's going on, where it's at. So it's not just, oh, I hope it's there, right? You've seen people, get messed up before by not really having that extra level of verification when it comes to investing in, mining companies, right? here. They're putting it out there. They have live broadcasting of the mining data centers, really pretty much giving you that verification that you need. So love what I'm seeing here. When we talk about Go Mining tokens, we talked about it a little bit, but really with the tokens, it serves as a native cryptocurrency for the project. And like I said, I think it's extremely undervalued. But with that being said, you know, these tokens can be used to purchase NFTs. They pay for energy and maintenance and at discounted rates, and you can participate in platform specific activities. So you see the utility there. So they also have special collections as well. If you can take a look here at Khabib, the collections there, taking a look at right here, different collections on Go Mining, the NFT collections here, and you can pretty much, they're saying, experience the next level earnings. So their NFTs mine every day. You can get a trial NFT for free, maximize your benefits, be among the first to own a piece of history. Like, no one's doing this. Okay, the ones that I've seen, right, they do not have this level of verification. So you're putting the money in, you don't even know if there's a mining rig or where's a mining rig. You don't have that. They're actually giving you live footage right here of where your mining rigs are, and providing you data and accuracy when it comes to you know, Go Mining. So love what they're doing here. We look at the NFT collection. You can choose your NFT, and you know, with that, really allows you to, you know, create your first miner, right? And what that looks like. So very exciting, definitely bridging the gap, because, you know, we talk about Go Mining, and, you know, right now it looks like they've tokenized existing capabilities of its data centers. And, you know, with that, it's allowing the barrier to entry to be almost nothing. So love what I'm seeing here, because the tokens serve as a platform's token, but it also allows you to get some skin in the game when it comes to mining. So you can burn, and they have a mint model for Go Mining tokens alongside with, you know, other tokenomics that you can see here on the website. And I think 9 data centers across the globe, they're saying right now. I think that's just the beginning. Okay, that is just the beginning. There's a ton of growth potential when you talk about the mining centers, pretty much, and giving ultimately a greater opportunity for people to have a piece of the pie. So definitely encouraging people to visit the website, register, explore the NFT options of the Go Mining token investment, and get 5% discount for your first purchase with promo code. So definitely take a look at this. And to be honest with you, I think sky's the limit when it comes to checking out this project. So Go Mining, bridging that gap. Pretty much the barrier to entry is almost nothing. Okay, so take a look at this, because it's an easy way to earn every day.